This is Dr. Sindhu. So today we have our co-founder from Canazo, India, Miss Arzu here, and here she'll be explaining and detailing us about medical cannabis treatment. Welcome you, ma'am. What is medical cannabis, ma'am?
That's a very good question to start with. Medical cannabis is one of the most ancient herbs in India, also known as Vijaya. In India, it's always been legalized. It's been known as Vijaya in our Ayurveda, in our scriptures. It is basically a plant which has been used in treatment of various ailments as an alternative treatment if conventional treatments do not work out. So, medical cannabis has more than 100 cannabinoids. Like, for example, there's CBD, cannabidiol. Now, this one compound out of the more than 100 cannabinoids present within the plant can be used to treat many ailments. For example, any neurological condition like anxiety, depression. It can be used to help the symptoms which occur during these conditions. And unlike its other component like THC, it is not psychoactive in nature. So the stigma behind that medical cannabis cannot be used for medical purpose, that's not the reality in India anymore because now it's been legalized that way.
Is it appropriate to use medical cannabis for children in India?
In terms with international laws, FDA has approved one of the formulations to be used in pediatric cases, but in India, under the age of 21 years, it has not been legalized yet. So, for anyone who in India who has to use or we have to prescribe this medication, the legal age is 21 and above.
Who can prescribe medical cannabis?
Medically speaking, as per the Indian laws and the guidelines issued by the Ministry of Ayush, any registered medical practitioner, be it an Ayurvedic doctor, be it an homeopathic doctor, or an allopathic doctor, can prescribe medical cannabis medications.
How can you purchase medical cannabis?
To be honest, medical cannabis based products can be purchased from various platforms like online websites of brands like Canazo India, which is the only brand in India, an Indian hemp based brand which was featured on Shark Tank India. So that is one way to get it from the brand website itself. Then there are e-commerce platforms that you can easily purchase this from. Then it depends from the brand that if they are tied up with certain offline pharmacies, hospitals, or their clinics, you can also get it from there. But for any consumption based product, it has to be based on a prescription solely. And OTC, it's available without a prescription.
Can we travel with medical cannabis along?
Medical cannabis products can be traveled with all in India, all over India, just with a valid prescription. For any internal medication with the prescription, you can travel all over India.
Are there any restrictions to the corners of the world, like this place you are not supposed to take or carry?
It actually depends on the importing laws of each country, so it varies as per that. For example, in Malaysia, there is no tolerance for medical cannabis medications, so there you cannot take it with you. But for example, if it's UK, you are allowed to take it with you with a prescription. So it varies from different countries.
Sounds good. And is CBD oil effective?
CBD oil, as per the research and trials which have been done till now, it's found very effective in cases like epilepsy. It's found very effective to reduce the epileptic disorders or epileptic seizures which the people are getting. In terms of autism, it's been seen to help with the hyperactivity we see in the cases. Then in for Parkinson's, for any pain management issues, it's been very effective.
What happens when we consume too much medical cannabis?
Like any medication, if you don't take it under the proper guidance of a doctor and in particular dosage, it can, and with an overdose, it can always harm the body. If you take too much CBD at one point of time, it can lead to dizziness, it can lead to nausea, it can also lead to diarrhea. But these are some common side effects which, it gets okay with time. You just have to give it time. And if you have very severe, you know, potential side effects, like for example, chronic dizziness or you're not feeling too well, then it's always best to consult with a doctor immediately.
Thank you. Actually, we had good positive, negative effects of CBD, and this is going to help us, to use it and prescribe medically as well. So, thank you so much, ma'am, for joining.
Thank you.